In this lesson, we'll discuss the Review tab. You can find the Review tab at the top of the ribbon next to the Viewpoint tab. When you click on this tab, you'll be given a variety of options that let you make markups, annotations, tags, take measurements or add comments, and other things of that sort. These tools are normally used by the engineers and designers that are working in collaboration so they can stay up with what each side is doing. There are also tools in the Review tab that require saved viewpoints. One of the chief among these tools is the redline option. In fact, one of the prerequisites of using the redline tools is having a specific saved viewpoint from which you can work and then apply the redline options. The same applies for the comments tool. The measure and tag options, however, can be used right away. So let's say you want to use the measuring tool. If you click measure and select, for instance, point to point, you can click and make your points and take your measurement without having to have a specific viewpoint. You can just use your project as it appears. The same is true of tags. To use the redline, however, you have to have a viewpoint. To save a particular viewpoint, all you have to do is get the view you want, and then right-click and select Save Viewpoint under the Saved Viewpoints window. You can name the view whatever you want, but once you've created it, now you can use the redline tools. You can use the draw tools to highlight and single out particular areas of your project. You can use the text tool to create notes and comments for other people to see, or simply as reminders for yourself. So for instance, we can say that this section is the first revision that we've made. So this can be a very useful tool when you want to bring something to a person's attention immediately. The comment tool, meanwhile, is a little bit more opaque. The first thing that we'll do is go to View 1, where we've already inserted a comment. Once there, we can click on View Comments and see any comments that we've made in that particular view. It's not as obvious as a redline text, but can sometimes be more efficient.